Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you could join the X Monetization Program so you could start tweeting and start getting impressions, get paid out for your replies and all of that. So I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple and easy, so let's get in. Now, head over, slide to the right, and click on Monetization right here under Spaces. Now, when you do that, it should load up the available programs for what you're eligible for. Now, click subscriptions, and you could earn a living basically by having people subscribe to you with premium. Now, there are a couple of checklists you are going to have to, meet for the criteria, but you're going to have to get verified by subscribing to premium, being the first option, and then 2,000 verified followers. You're also going to want to have 5 million organic impressions in the past 3 months and active in 30 days and be at least 18 years old. So if you meet that criteria, continue to the application, they'll review you, and then they'll accept you to the monetization program for X. So that's how you do it. That's how you get into the monetization program on X. I hope you found this video helpful.